Greetings RPI families, this is Mr. Panazzo. Hope everyone is doing well. Trying out this new tool today that has both my website and my camera up so that you can see how I'm navigating this. So below the link to this video, you're going to have a link to logging into your PowerSchool parent portal. I've logged in already and I have a test student here along with my own student. So basically what I want to do is I want to guide you through the demographic update because there's some unique changes that took place this year, and I'm going to highlight one section that we really need your feedback on. Alright, so all of this is pretty much the same. Make sure your address is right, make sure your primary phone number is right, mailing address, etc. They are the same, so you can copy that right here. And then you're going to need to go through and look at every one of these sub-tabs. You can either navigate by clicking next or on the next step below. That will check for another parent or guardian contact, then parent guardian contact 3, parent guardian contact 4, emergency contact, like if you have grandparents or a friend that you can have your kid be picked up by. Then there's number 3, and then we have emergency contact number 3 there. So medical information, this also helps us in case we need to contact a doctor if we can't get a hold of parents. So all that's pretty much the same. Now here's where all the new stuff kind of comes in. So we have several sections here that we really need your feedback on and for you to answer. So learning options for 2020. You need to select either face-to-face or Rocket Virtual. Now I know that we sent a survey out in July, but we from other surveys have collected some data that makes us wonder if our numbers are as accurate as we hope they would be. And by answering this sooner rather than later, it allows us to get our class placements done and then hopefully get you your son or daughter's teacher names quicker. So come in here, you're going to select face-to-face or Rocket Virtual. Once you do that, so I'm going to select face-to-face, pretending that testing number 3 is my kid that I'm going to submit for. Down here, the past spring we recognized how important it was for students to stay connected, so we have a couple choices for you about Chromebooks. We are encouraging students that have a personal Chromebook, laptop, or tablet to use so because our current supply of Chromebooks is not up to 1-to-1 yet, but it will be shortly. So if we can start out by using your own face-to-face device or distance learning, that would be beneficial. If you do not have access to any device and would like to request a Chromebook, please make sure you pick this one. So I have one at home that I use, so go ahead and pick that. So these are two very important choices that you need to make sure that you make your selection on, and we're going to base our decisions on your choices. The acceptable use policy, and this is always a hang-up for people, so I wanted to show you this. You can't click on anything yet because you have not opened these files yet. Once you open them and read through them, I can now click that tab off. You see that we accept, that's counting as your digital signature. So you do that for study trip, health form, and then the RPI handbook, and then once all of that is done, you will be able to hit submit on the bottom, and it will accept all of your answers. If you have any questions, please feel free to reply to this email, and we are so looking forward to seeing your kids on either September 8th or September 9th. More information to come as we put it together. Thanks so much. Have a great day.